Today on Tech Talk, we're going to talk about the different operating systems and why you might choose one or the other. I'm kind of an Apple fan, so I'm going to start with the Apple products. When we have customers coming into the store, a way to determine what might be the best option for them is, first of all, we'll ask, do you have any other Apple products? One reason that you would go with an Apple iPhone would be if you had an iPad or if you had a Macintosh computer or an iPad, that type of thing. The reason being for that is that with iCloud, everything shares. So when you sign into your iCloud account on your iPad and on your iPod, even iPod Touch, and your iPhone, it's all going to share your apps, your photos, calendar appointments, all that shares very, very nicely. Another reason, one thing I kind of prefer the iPhone for is its simplicity. I believe it's a little easier to use and understand and get to learn than maybe like a Windows or an Android device. All the icons are right on the front screen. It's easy to adjust those. A little less customization is maybe a Droid, but very simple and easy to use. It's also a very solid device. Not a lot of issues with it as far as software glitches and that type of thing. Button simplicity, not a lot of buttons on there that you can get confused with as well. So if you're looking for a device that's going to sync with your Apple products, or something that's going to be easy to use but yet allow you to access the web, the email, the GPS, everything that a smartphone can do, then a lot of times I'll recommend the iPhone for a customer that's looking for that.
Yep. Another popular option that we have out there is the Android platform. Google owns the Android platform, and what that brings to the table is they might not have that ease of feel like an iPhone has, but it allows a little more customization. So you can change your home screens a little bit more and have your favorite apps right on the different screens, or group them together. Like on my phone, I have one screen that just has all my music-related apps, so it just gives me a little quicker access to those. I can set up my wallpapers and multi-different ringtones for notifications, whether it's email or texting or her Facebook updates, things like that. Because of that customization, it does have maybe a little more awkward feel, or feels a little tougher to get in through the menus, but it's once you get used to the layout, it's very comfortable to get in there. All your settings are in one spot, very similar to how the Apple product does it. And like Andy mentioned, if you do have other Apple products, it's nice to keep things in that Apple family, where same on the Android platform. If you have Kindle Fires or things like that, they're more that Google related, so they have that same look and feel and share the accounts and things like that. So that's one thing we try and do with our customers, is find out what products they're using, what devices they're using, and then try and match them up into that. Along with that, Google has a lot of different products within their layout that allows, just like Apple does, backing up things. So we've got like Google Plus, which is similar to iCloud, where you can take and back up your pictures and apps and things like that. So, we got a lot of different products out there that you can come in and choose from. We take the time to get to know you and find out what's more comfortable for you. So stop on down. We'll be glad to share some ideas with you and see what fits best for you.